Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade tomato soup from scratch. First, let's talk about the key ingredients. You will need approximately 2 pounds of fresh, ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget some fresh basil, a good quality olive oil, about 4 cups of vegetable broth, and a splash of cream or milk for that perfect creamy texture. These simple ingredients are the foundation of a truly comforting soup. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by washing and quartering your 2 pounds of fresh tomatoes, making sure to remove any tough cores. Next, finely chop your 1 medium onion and mince the 2 cloves of garlic. In a large pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté it gently until it becomes soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This step builds a flavorful base for your soup. Once your onions are softened, it's time to add the rest of the main ingredients. Introduce the quartered tomatoes, minced garlic, and 4 cups of vegetable broth to the pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. After simmering, use an immersion blender directly in the pot, or carefully transfer the soup to a regular blender, blending until it's wonderfully smooth. For a richer texture, stir in 1/4 cup of heavy cream or milk. We are almost there. Now, it's time to perfect the flavor of your homemade tomato soup. Season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Just before serving, stir in a handful of fresh basil leaves. Their aroma will elevate the dish. For a beautiful presentation, garnish each bowl with a delicate drizzle of olive oil or a fresh sprig of basil. Serve your warm, comforting tomato soup with some crusty bread for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.